our channel, English with Family. In this video, we are going to teach you some kitchen utensils and the verbs which can be used in the kitchen. Let's begin. Oven,
Oven,
stove,
stove,
fridge,
fridge,
kitchen sink,
kitchen sink,
toaster,
toaster, dishwasher,
dishwasher,
teapot,
teapot,
microwave,
microwave,
rolling pin,
rolling pin,
tray,
tray,
grater,
grater,
chopping board,
chopping board,
knives,
knives,
fork,
fork,
spoon,
spoon,
whisk,
whisk,
ladle,
ladle,
spatula,
spatula,
peel,
peeler,
tongs,
tongs,
potato masher,
potato masher,
frying pan,
frying pan,
baking sheet,
baking sheet,
wok,
wok,
electric kettle,
electric kettle,
mug,
mug,
glass,
glass,
cup,
cup,
wine glass,
wine glass,
oven mitten,
oven mittens,
apron,
apron,
kitchen towels,
kitchen towels,
kitchen paper,
kitchen paper. We can use these action verbs in the kitchen. For example,
cook, bake,
pour, mix,
crack,
clean, wash,
drink, eat,
fry, boil,
peel,
freeze, marinate,
add, steam,
heat, grill,
grate, melt,
layer, scramble,
squeeze, slice,
flatten, drain,
serve, taste.
pinch, beat.
Guys, we hope you enjoy our videos. If you like it, like it. If you love it, subscribe. Thanks for watching and bye.